Today I'm playing with the boys.
I just been flipped.
I think Daniel's not okay right now.
Epic kick shot. Okay.
Daniel, I will murder you.
Whoa, you're going too fast, buddy.
Daniel, stop! I will have to destroy you.
Oh, but more headstand. Oh, hey, you flew. And now I'm gonna massacre you.
Yeah, so it's time we stop this mother guy.
Hey, yo!
It's time to stop this guy.
Kill him. You're stuck, Daniel.
Door stuck!
What does monkey noises mean? Sit down, hurry up, do it.
I'm just moving away so I don't die. Just moving away so I don't die.
Go!
But I gotta make this side bigger so like nothing screws up.
Daniel, delete that!
Daniel, you have to unanchor that, okay? You can sit on the spinner, you just have to be unanchored, okay?
Okay.
Not you, Daniel. Not you, Daniel. I'm talking to you, Daniel. That sucked.
Hey, yo, I tripped.
That sucked. Literally, we failed in our that's totally not inappropriate.
Hey, Daniel!
Daniel's coming to your house.
Wait, Misha, look, I can fly now.
Yo.
Look, okay, so I have to put this down. But look, I can switch it. Daniel showed me this right after. I swear. I was so happy. What do you want? Please ask me if you could quiet down for a little bit. Why? Can you quiet for a little bit? She's trying to watch, but she can't hear this. That's so sad because I can't. Bro, stop!
Why are you so loud, Yasser? I just have that question.
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. I just
like every time you speak one word, you're just so loud.
I know, bro.
Not to be rude.
You are.
I'm doing a killing machine real quick. Guys, don't mind.
I'm gonna fly because I want to fly. I want to fly to Manitoba.
To Mars?
What does that mean?
Okay, he needs to be hit by a bar of gold, so let's kill him.
Who, me?
No, your mom.
Hey, yo! Well, you can't do that to my mom because my mom's too nice.
Oh, okay.
If you do it to my dad, then my dad will probably kill you. But yeah.
Yeah, murder is bad.
No, seriously, don't. My dad will literally kill you.
I know.
My dad is not so nice at all.
Okay, got it, man. I got it.
I'm flying!
I'm dying.
Nisha, seriously, look, I'm flying.
I don't care.
Look up, I'm seriously flying.
Look here, boy. I made a double spinner.
Nisha?
Yo, look at this!
What?
Look at this!
Come on, go down with it.
Yo, look at this.
That's kind of sick. Go, do it. Go.
Dice.
Yeah, that's the pizza. That's
oh God, he got dynamite.
Natty, get.
Hey, yo, let me live.
Nisha, I have a song for you. Nisha, that's what I made a song for you. Want to hear it?
No.
I've been sweating a lot. Being just gravy in the pot.
I'm invincible. You cannot kill me. Ha ha ha.
Nisha, that's why I have a song for you. It matches you. I've been pooping a lot. Being just gravy in the pot.
That's just rude.
This sucks.
Rude.
This really sucks. What's happening?
Tofu rock.
I go stalk you. Hey! I've been pooping a lot. Being just gravy in the pot. Daniel's gonna get mad.
I'm still recording.
I know. Daniel.
Jeebus Christ.
Daniel. I crashed.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
You have a terrible. You have the worst computer, Daniel.
No. My computer is doodle butter, bro. Oh, you're making me sad. That's what you get.
For having a bad computer.
Been standing off the night.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Copyright, please don't kill me.
I mean, technically that is picky.
I will eat your soul.
Daniel, delete that now.
I will eat you.
Daniel, delete it. I didn't say make it invisible. Delete.
Totally sus.
Oh, I couldn't get off.
Totally sus. What's the die?
Daniel.
Oh, you wish Daniel to die? You wish Daniel to die?
No.
Yeah. He said Daniel right after I said that. Asked that question.
Oh, been standing up. Wait, that's what I'm gonna add.
This is me. Who wants to die? And this is Yasser screaming Daniel. Daniel!
Daniel, why would you do this?
Daniel, why would you make us suffer? I'm joking. I'm not suffering. You're my best friend.
Everyone die.
No,
Daniel,
you.
seriously, delete that. Daniel, seriously, please. I like pyramids. Daniel, seriously. Wait, I can't just move. My bad. I like pyramids.
I like trains.
Whoa!
I like trains.
I've been cooking a lot. Bean juice, gravy, and
Stop! Just stop, man! Just stop!
Misha, look at me.
No, your mom.
Hey! I've been having some fun.
You need to stop screaming.
Guys!
You said Daniel? It! You said
Daniel? What? I need you to get me to the end.
No.
Please.
No.
I will create enough creek. Huh? That's on you. I'm creating enough creek.
How could you have done this? How could you done this, Yasser? Why would you do this?
Whoa, I can't move. Whoa.
Yeah. Why is this stupid? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna make it build it like this.
I adopt this. Hey, that's mean.
This is video.
Oh, wait, Daniel, guess what? Since now it's on Android, I can
wants to see my machine.
I don't want to see your machine.
You want to see that?
It might look horrible. No. I will create enough cricket.
And it's your fault. Welcome to the Space Jam. Guys, look! I have a death weapon! Let's go!
It looks like I've been pooping a lot doing this getting apart.
Guys, I can't stop spinning.
Yes! Daniel, seriously, I'm not joking, please. I need to go through it.
I'll smack your heads. Guys, look at my new my tower. Look, it's so cool.
Daniel, please. Oh.
I have one way to take you to the end.
Yeah, you. Which way? Look how.
Come on. Come on. This is going to turn into a jet. Come on.
Actually. Guys, by the way, do not.
Let me just get the pilot seat. Put it on the seat and make it unanchored.
First, I'm gonna have some turbines. I'm gonna go fast. Wait.
I have to launch, by the way.
No, not yet. Don't launch. Wait, seriously, I also need to add some seats on the back for me.
No, don't put rockets.
No, it's gonna help.
No, I gotta put jets. It's taking away my privilege.
No, bro. Put a jet on the back.
Rickroll.
Never. Oh, Risha, how'd you get all of them? Did you just buy? When did you buy them?
I just bought them, man.
Today?
Oh, a long time ago.
Bro, I really need some like that.
It's Robux.
I know.
Never gonna give you up.
Okay, we shall do it now. Hurry up.
Hey, who deleted this block?
Which block?
This block is gone.
I didn't touch it at all. I promise.
Kill you people.
Just fix it.
Wait. I'll fix it. Just don't start the goddamn.
Stop, Daniel.
Daniel, stop. I'll use my auto clicker. Yeah, that's right. Get away from me. Crazy.
Oh,
Wait, I gotta select all.
I've been clicking a lot.
Just stop! I'm still recording, man. Okay,
wait, Bishop, say this as one of your boats.
Okay, you are actually sure. Oh god damn it, it's money!
Shut. I drop, and when I look at you,
why going to another meeting, Michelle?
Why? It's fun.
Because, Yasser is annoying.
Okay, let's go. I'm a turret. I am a turret now. I'm a turret now.
No, Bishop, I'm gonna fly.
No, unless you start.
Fine. I'll launch.
Daniel, stop it. You're making us suffer. Da 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 da.
Bishop, go Bishop. Yeah, Bishop, you're doing good.
I'm a terrible driver.
I'm doing horrible.
Bishop's doing amazing.
This is not going well. This is not.
We're stuck for sure. Oh.
Help! I can't move! I can't control it!
Bishop, get out, jump.
I can't control the damn thing! Oh.
Jump. Did you jump?
Let's go. Picking you up, get in! Get in! Picking you up! Get in!
I gave you up.
I died!
Yo, you both left. Okay, but this time, can I please drive it? And do not know. And this time to ask me a real type of boat, and not the skin one. Please.
Okay, you get to ride it. I don't really care. I'm just gonna go on a different team now.
Wait, no, Bishop, no. Okay, I guess I can keep it now.
Yeah, you keep it. Well, if you crash it and you lose it,
Bishop, I need your help. I probably broke your thing.
I don't care. Do whatever you
It's
want.
moving too much. It's moving too much.
Yeah, just launch and like press
I
F.
can't. I need to drop. It's all 11. Bro, let me on. What is this?
Daniel, stop your force.
Stop. Please
Kill you.
I need your help. You won't stop moving.
It's not my problem. Camera.
You shall see me. Come here, help me.
I can't see you.
Let me on this dumb contraption. It's not work. Bishop.
Yeah.
Come here.
How?
Stop it real quick. I need your help. Something's wrong. The boat won't stop moving. It keeps going.
Can you stop raging?
I'm getting mad.
Stop getting mad. This isn't Mad City.
I seriously need your help. I'm not joking. Like, no kidding. I'm not joking.
Okay.
Let me on.
Okay, I'm coming with you. I'm coming. It's just Daniel's breaking the whole server.
Okay, then just build my team. I won't launch it, promise.
To be honest, I don't really care.
At
least you're not as bad at this, Sean.
Come on, ask. I just need to go.
Okay, wait. Did you say that I'm still recording if you did not realize that. Also, I'm going to save this new build because it's a jet. But how can I just save it?
Come on, go, do it.
Guys, I'm still recording if you did not realize that. Yay.
Yeah,
guys, I need to go. I need to go launch. Okay, bye, Daniel.
Wait, why? I didn't save it. I hope you get hurt.
Misha, I need your help. I asked you if you can help me.
I hope you get hurt in the game.
You can't please try that. Let me try that. Ah! How do you find it?
Yeah,
Okay. How do you find it? You have jets, bro. Where's the jets?
it's invisible.
Okay, bro. Let me drive it.
What?
Can I drive it?
When did I agree with that?
Here. I'll add a seat for you. Bro, done. I added a seat.
Why can't you sit on the seat?
Bro, I wanna fly.
Let's go!
Okay. Well, still. You're a good driver, so please make it to the end properly.
Matters if all the jets are
This
broke.
actually kind of looks good, not gonna lie. I don't know how you built this. It actually kind of looks good.
You see the jets in the back?
Nope, it's just invisible.
Well, you see the little trails it makes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been having some fun.
I feel bad for Daniel.
Yeah, he didn't even say me. When I play, you got to believe in me, and you also left me so.
I had to come back because you bugged me.
Oh yeah, I already made it.
Misha!
Oh god, this is the worst stage where you lose your jets. Oh god. Well, I didn't lose my jets though, which is good.
Hit it, please.
Man!
We did it! Let's go! Oh no, more baseball! God damn it!
Yes, play baseball and hit.
Why is it more baseball?
Bro, you lost one of your jets.
Yes, I know that. And now we have one.
Makarisha.
And this is where we lose another jet. Yay!
Oh, but these ones have the baddest ones.
Claws. Jeez. There's a problem. Oh, thank God. Hi, Laundry. I can dodge you now, mother.
Did you see that?
Easy.
I think I made torture.
Anyways, I'm recording, guys, if you did not even realize that the first moment.
You told us this like 5 times!
I know. Still, if you did not know, because you're deaf.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Do you guys want to join me inside of Right to Fight?
No! Misha!
What is going on? Why is it doing this?
Misha!
Okay, thank God. I can control it back. I don't know what happened there. What the hell is going on?
I just got this shit.
Aliens. Wait, what happened? Wait, what?
Misha, can you please run my team?
Sucks.
Wait, Daniel, you're on his team?
Yeah.
I just got to the end.
Misha! I'm almost done. All I need is 100 more coins left.
This might sound terrible, but I got to the end.
I don't care, bro! Misha! Please. I only need 100 coins left. That's not so much.
Is Daniel on your team?
No, bro! Just join my team, please!
Okay, stop crying.
I'm so close! Can you get this? We did it!
What are you even trying to get?
The jet? I'm trying to get a jet!
Wait, you've been grinding?
Yes, I have 3,903.
Daniel, you never told me he was.
What? What's wrong with that?
You ever tell Daniel about this?
Hey,
Daniel was left the meeting.
Bro, please, just join the team.
I'm just so close to the treasure.
Right, okay. So when you get the treasure,
Yay!
now join the team, okay? Join the team, okay?
Daniel left the game actually, did he?
Wait, Bisha, listen, can I drive it?
I don't think you know the controls.
Yes, I do. It's F, just make a 5, and after it's W, X, D, A, just to train stuff. That's really weird.
Okay, hope you don't crash.
I won't.
I hope you never do.
Makarisha, lego Makarisha, power. We stay home, we don't know what. That's the hours we take. What's hours?
You have to put a seat for me, okay? I gotta come. Because I'm also grinding for something.
Wait, are you grinding or wait, are you grinding too?
Yeah, for something.
What is it?
More magnets.
Wait, what do you need the magnets for?
I don't know really. I just actually know it's for something else. Thank you. It's mine now.
Okay, bro. Okay, launch.
Wait, one more thing. I need to see what I'm actually wanting to grind for. Ooh, okay, I want this thing. Let's go.
Okay, bro. Are you ready to launch?
Yep.
Launch.
You do it.
Okay, fine.
Lazy. Hope you don't crash us. On the second stage, it gets slower, by the way.
How about that? Yeah, super slow.
Hey, it's still jet. Be careful.
No.
In a few stages, there's gonna be a baseball bat.
I know it's in 2 more stages.
One more now.
No, it's still 2 more. No, yeah, you're right. 1 more.
Because there is 2 baseball stages now, for God's sake. Now go dodge mode. Go dodge mode and don't hit anything on the ground. Oh God, we lost the jet.
Bod.
Jeebus.
Bod.
Okay, why is there 2 baseball places? Now that's just annoying. Okay, now we have to dodge more things because there's gonna be a clock coming for us. Sus.
How do you get faster?
I have no idea.
Screw me.
Oh God.
Okay, laundry is kind of easy.
Here, also, that thing closes.
Whoa!
I don't know how that happens. How?
Don't know.
Also, at some point, jets go crazy. At some point, I didn't tell you this. At some point, the jets like stop.
No, I'm kind of scared.
I haven't been to this part ever in my life, actually. What is this part?
It's the octopus part.
I've never been here. Well,
Bro, we almost made it.
we're almost there. Unless the jet kills. You see our previous one? Wait, what is that? It looks like some... Yo, Daniel, I found your boat. You see little Daniel's parts?
No.
His parts are right there.
Whoa!
Go on! Let's go! Don't be like Daniel. Like, he's a terrible driver.
Jump off!
No! What are you doing?
I was being dumb and now I have to... Oh, dang it! That was so dumb of me.
I am in the sky because of you.
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
No. Why did it bring me to the sky?
Sure? I only need 20 more coins left. I'm not joking.
First answer this. How did I just land at spawn?
Official! I need more! Official, I only need 20 more coins left. I'm not joking.
Bloody hell.
No! I need to go to Jets!
Never gonna get you up.
Never gonna let you down from my feet.
I have 1,000 gold.
Okay, that's the end of the video.
What?
That's the end of the video. Bye-bye!
Why?
Because I don't know, I'm bored.
Anyways, bye guys.